Last year there was a lot of things that happened last year, but I think it's for the best of for everyone, and yeah, like if I quickly just say something, it's how to say this? It's okay to make mistakes, like it really is, but like just make sure to be careful because it can really affect yourself and people around you. Like I know a person who had who had to face the worst consequence by making a lot of mistakes, and it was because of those mistakes that really affected the people around him. If you make a promise with with team or the people around you, you need to be responsible and really keep those promises, not break them. And so while it's okay to make mistakes, like everyone makes mistakes, it's really fine. But just remember to think of the people around you, and think very carefully about your future and what you want to do, like your dreams and everything. Because the actions and decisions that you make could become a really it could become a very big turning point in your life. And so don't be that person who just thinks about himself and thinks about people, and make sure to think about people around you too. Because if you don't, it's kind of like betrayal. And yeah, it means that you're being really selfish. So you can't go into too much detail, but yeah, I know stays know what I mean. Yeah. It's fine to make mistakes. Just always, I don't know. I feel like for me, top priority is to think about the people around you, and of course I'm important as well. But it's because it's like a really big industry where you have to work with a lot of people. It's always good to think about the people around you. So yeah. Stays know what I'm talking about. Stays know what I mean.